Last year, orders for commercial aircraft rose by more than 50%.
On the other hand, the real estate industry as a whole, residential and commercial, are obviously feeling enormous pressure right now.
Judge Sotomayor came to the district court from a law firm where she was a partner focused on complex commercial litigation, gaining insight into the workings of a global economy. Our economies have very strong commercial ties, but I am committed to moving forward on a path that will increase commercial ties that are already very strong between our two countries. We have very strong commercial ties, in part because of the free trade agreement that exists between Chile and the United States.
Therefore, the relationship between the two sides, as it did see and witness progress on the security front and in combating terror, it will see great cooperation in the areas of economic, commercial, and cultural activities.
And we think that there is enormous potential for us to grow trade and commercial ties between the two countries.
Ve daha önce Sayın Erdoğan'la ve Sayın Cumhurbaşkanı Gül'le yaptığım temaslarda da dile getirdiğim gibi ekonomik konuları ele almak amacıyla stratejik bir grup kurulmasını amaçlıyoruz. Bu sürece Amerika Birleşik Devletleri Ticaret Bakanı Locke ve ticaret temsilcimiz Kirk de dahil olacak. Aynı şekilde tüm tarafların da katkısıyla gelişecek. Amerika Birleşik Devletleri ile Türkiye arasında ticaret konusunda alınacak.
It's still difficult, partly because, let's be honest, Iran is an oil producer, and there are a lot of countries around the world that, regardless of Iran's offenses, are thinking that their commercial interests are more important to them than these long-term geopolitical interests.
And he's extraordinarily knowledgeable about these waters, being both a charter fisherman and a commercial fisherman.
And the key there, as I see it, is that local banks are cutting back on their willingness to lend because of their expected losses on commercial real estate.
On the commercial level, on the person-to-person level, the strategic level, I think this partnership is incredibly important.
In the economic sector, there has been an increase in our recent commercial trade, as well as an increase in the Portuguese investment in the United States.
There's a lot of money to return to taxpayers. It's not a significant amount of money in the context of the overall commercial real estate market.
What's to prevent Congress from blocking an entire...
Like the commercial says, this is a city that's been to heck and back.